Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about a very famous air purifying plant. Okay, I'll try to pronounce its scientific name. It's Zamioculcas zamiifolia. That's ZZ plant. Commonly we call it ZZ plant, a very good air purifying plant. It is a tropical plant and has very good foliage. So I will show you my ZZ plant. They are very easy care. I mean very low maintenance plants these ZZ plants are. Can grow up to 23 inches tall. So I have taken this. I have another ZZ plant in my place, but I've selected this plant because of this part which is growing yellow, and I will tell you why this is becoming yellow. What is the cure of this? So that is the reason I took this plant and to show you guys. These actually have rhizomes. You know, rhizomes are present in the roots of the plants. These rhizomes help these plants to survive extreme drought conditions. They have succulent rhizomes. These are the rhizomes are the reason that these plants are very easy care. Main benefit of ZZ plant for right now is that this is a very good air purifying plant and releases oxygen. At night also it releases oxygen, and yes, this absorbs the many pollutants, the air pollutants which are present, like xylene, toluene and carbon dioxide along with it. So in the surrounding, this really makes your surrounding very breathable and very purified. It can be kept indoors and even in your bedroom. This has the ability to absorb carbon dioxide from the air even when the sun is down. You know, that is the reason you can keep this without any worry in your bedroom, on your desk, in your office or anywhere. This is a very pretty foliage and it creates a very nice green space in your home. So now let's come on to the care of ZZ plant. First of all, let's come to the sunlight. ZZ plant is very adaptive. It can grow in any kind of light. I mean, if you keep it in extreme darkness also, this will grow. But yes, this best thrives on areas of indirect sunlight. Very much indirect sunlight will help it grow. And you can keep it in low light, but then the growth will be slower. But anyway, ZZ plant growth is slow, so it's fine. This grows very slowly. I mean, in months you will see a bit of a growth in the plant, so it's okay. That is all about sunlight. So do not keep it in direct sunlight, that will scorch away the leaves. But yes, in this case which I was talking of, I will tell you the watering. This plant can be kept in direct sunlight for 1 to 2 hours. I will tell you why. Now let's come to the watering of a ZZ plant. So ZZ plant is extremely low maintenance. You need to water a ZZ plant every 3 to 4 weeks. I mean, just imagine, it's so low maintenance. I water my ZZ plant every 3 weeks. That is provided I check the topsoil with my finger. Like, it has lots of water right now because it's sticking. The soil is sticking to my finger. That is the reason I won't water it right now. So that is why. And yes, overwatering and underwatering can cause the leaves to yellow, and that is the reason why I was talking of this plant here. That is the reason I selected this particular plant, because this has this plant which is becoming yellow. You know why this is becoming yellow? This is a very common problem which happens with ZZ plant. This is because of overwatering. It's not underwatering, definitely, because my soil is already moist. This already has much water. That is the reason this is becoming yellow. And you know, that is the reason I am keeping my ZZ plant in direct sunlight for 1 to 2 hours every day, because I want this to live. When you provide very much water, then it just rots away. They do not like very much water. That is the reason. So I am keeping this 1 to 2 hours in sunlight, and you also can do that. Put your plant in direct sunlight for 1 to 2 hours. That will help the excess water to dry out from the plant, and it will make your plant live. So that was all about watering. Sometimes you can check the topsoil of your ZZ plant, and also you can dip your finger 1 to 2 inches and then you can see if it's wet. You know, sometimes you feel the topsoil is not wet, it's dry, but inside it's wet. So you need to just insert your finger 1 to 2 inches and just feel, and it feels really moist in my plant. As you can see, it's sticking to my fingers. So this plant do not need any watering right now. No water needed right now. Now let's go to the toxicity of a ZZ plant, which is very important. ZZ plant is toxic to pets and to kids if the leaf is ingested, or if the sap is coming in contact with your skin or your eyes. It causes irritation to your skin or your eyes. Yes, if the leaf is ingested or the sap is ingested, it can cause diarrhea and it can cause stomach problems. So if you have kids at home, if you have pets at home, then please put this plant in such a corner that they cannot reach the plant, because this is a bit toxic. Lastly, this is an undying plant. This plant is not going to die out on you very easily because this is a very strong and sturdy plant. So if you are planning to start gardening or indoor gardening, then you can start with this because this will not give up on you. You can place it in your home, in your bedrooms, in your living rooms, and just get the air purifying effect of the plant, which is very important. So start gardening, guys, because gardening is going to make your place better and make your surrounding better, and plant more air purifying plants indoors like ZZ plant. So thank you so much for watching the whole video, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.